town's present urban center was formerly a component barrio of the municipality of Pugasong, called Cabirian, due to the abundance of berry shrubs. Some 30 families settling along the coast of the Pugasong moved eastward following the riverbank of Cangaranan River until they reached the Cabirian, a place they cleared, tilled, and inhabited. Because of the vast rich agricultural lands sufficiently irrigated by the waters of Cangaranan River, the settlement flourished and attracted more settlers from the mother town. Through time, the established community felt the need to have their own sets of officials to govern them independently from the pueblo of Pugasong. Because Cabirian became a separate independent municipality in 1865 through the effort of the Spanish official surnamed Valderrama. Because of the great gratitude of the people to the Spanish official, Cabirian as a new pueblo was named Valderrama in his honor. Manuel Blanco de Valderrama was the interim Governor-General of the Philippines from March 17 to June 18, 1874. Birth date, July 23, 1815. Birthplace, Madrid, Spain. Death, October 18, 1899. Occupation, military officer or official military interim Governor-General of the Philippines or Gobernador General Interino de Filipinas. Valderrama is located 53 kilometers or 33 miles from the provincial capital, San Jose de Buenavista. According to the Philippine Statistics Authority, the municipality has land area of 273.79 square kilometers or 105.71 square miles, constituting 10.3% of the 2,729.17 square kilometers or 1,053.74 square miles total area of Antique. Municipality of Valderrama is a fourth-class municipality in the province of Antique, Philippines. According to 2020 census, it has a population of 19,971 people. Panubason Festival is an annual event celebrated by the Valderramians. It is usually held from 23rd to 25th day of January. The festival is not only thanksgiving for the good and abundant crops during the respective harvest season, but also the thanksgiving for the gifts of God given by God to the all Valderramians. This was intended to discover and develop special talents from aspirants in the field of arts, music, dances, and sports.
Panubasan, dali ka mo kagatan kya silebrahan. Maghinugyaw kag magsinadya sa dalanan. Magpasalamat sa grasya nga nabato. Panubasan, 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 dali ka mo kagatan ka silebrahan. Maghinugyaw kag magsinadya sa dalanan. Magpasalamat sa grasya nga nabato. Kuhay ang panubasan. Bukas sa gagangatan sa ulugon. Tuhay ang panabasan. Si Senyor San Lucas ating dayawon. Tuhay ang panabasan. Bukas sa dagan nga atin sa ulugon. Tuhay ang panabasan. Si Senyor San Lucas atin nga dayawon. Si Senyor San Lucas atin